Hello friends, this is my book Unboxed, My American Life. It's been published by Notion Press Publishers, and this book chronicles my 14-year journey in the US. I've also interviewed NRIs who are staying abroad, as well as people who have stayed abroad for a considerable amount of time and who have returned back to India. So please give this book a read and drop your reviews. Now my daughter will interview me regarding some details about the book.
What was the biggest difference which you noticed when moving from India to US?
The biggest difference, of course, is the social life or the lack of social life in the US. India is a very vibrant place. We are a country of 1 billion plus people. So you see people everywhere. Another thing, of course, is the climate. In most parts of India, let's not count the northern part of India where I've never lived, the climate is very nice, so you can step out of the day at any time. You don't have to dress yourself in layers and go out. So these are some simple things which I missed when moving to the US.
What was one thing from the US which you would like to implement in India?
I hope India gets a very corruption-free life, and I hope we can try and make it more clean, keep our surroundings clean, and so those are the only two small things that I can think of, but of course it's a big thing in implementation. These are the only two things that I can think of right now.
What did you miss most from India while you were in the US?
So like I already said, two things were the social life, the lack of social life, and just being able to step out easily, and of course the wonderful food that we get in India. So this book has my story along the 3 states in US where we stayed: College Station, Texas, Long Island, New York, and Detroit, Michigan. So College Station, Texas did not have any Indian restaurants when we moved there. So I solely missed Indian food, and I also did not know how to cook. So you can imagine the problem there.
What did you like best about the Statue of Liberty?
So the Statue of Liberty was very nice. We went all because we were just a couple when we visited the Statue of Liberty. So we went not only to the pedestal, but we went through the spiral staircase and we went all the way to the crown of Lady Liberty and looked down from there. It is a slightly strenuous climb, but we were very young then, so we could do it. It was about 27 flights of stairs, and we thoroughly enjoyed the experience.
How did you overcome the drawbacks of being a student's wife?
Being a student's wife, probably it's very hard to understand in India what it is. So student's wife means the student itself does not get paid much. So, and if you're married, so you have more financial responsibilities and how to manage them. In addition, if you're on a dependent visa, you cannot work. And if you want to study in the same university, you have to convert your visa to an F1 visa. So these are some limitations. So you're just bound at home, even though you have a fantastic degree and some experience as well. So the only way you can do it, you can go for higher studies. I did not do that time, but I just kept myself busy by learning how to drive a car.
You enjoyed about driving in the US?
I figured that I love to drive as a whole after I went to the US. US, of course, traffic is high speed and smooth. Nobody is moving from lane to lane or coming at you from the opposite direction. Not nobody, but most of them are sticking to the rules and the regulations of traffic. It's a thoroughly enjoyable experience. I wish I could do it again.
Thank you, Amma, and all the best for your book.
Thank you, Maha, for interviewing me. Please do buy my book, Unboxed, My American Life. It seems to be slightly more expensive, and I might like to say the reason why it is expensive, because I'm a first-time author. So publishing houses are not going to bet on first-time authors to sell a lot of books. That's probably one reason why they keep it a little bit high. And plus it's a color book, so that's another reason why it is only 73 pages and it's about 310 rupees. I tried very hard to lower the price but could not. But please encourage me and buy the book. Thank you.